On today's menu is this Marry Me Chicken pasta dish that I've been dying to try out ever since I started hearing about the Marry Me Chicken recipes circulating the interwebs, and let me tell you, this is a great recipe to keep in your back pocket for a date night. So let's get into the kitchen. First up on the prep list is to prepare the chicken breast before cooking. So lightly flatten out the chicken breast with a heavy pot or a meat mallet like I'm using to help it cook evenly in the pan. After that, season your flour with salt and black pepper, then give the breast a good dredging on both sides. Once you are done coating the chicken in flour, get a saute pan on medium to high heat with a good splash of oil in it along with a knob of butter. Then you're going to add your chicken to the pan and cook it on both sides until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side approximately. Then you're going to turn the heat down to low. While the chicken is just finishing up in the pan, you're going to chop up your whole garlic cloves into a small dice. Then the sun-dried tomatoes, and then you're going to add that to the pan along with some freshly picked rosemary and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Saute for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then you're going to turn up the heat to medium, add in the chicken stock, heavy cream, and finally some Parmesan cheese. Let this reduce for 2 to 3 minutes while you baste the chicken and the sauce thickens up. For this particular recipe, I'm going to be using linguine because I prefer that, but spaghetti can work as well. Just make sure to keep it al dente when it's finished cooking. Once the pasta is done, give it a strain and toss it in the creamy sauce to coat. Then it's time to plate this up and enjoy. After making this dish, now I really understand why it's called Marry Me Chicken. It's got all the feel-good flavors bundled up into a sultry, creamy sauce, plus a little spicy kick to get the senses tingling. This could work perfectly alongside roasted potatoes, savory rice, and a veggie side too if you want to change it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment letting me know your thoughts on it. Stay creative in the kitchen, and I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, everybody.